Hey people, I've been asked, how do I leave the cough symptoms as well as phlegm from my chest? Get 20 ounces of honey. Get some onions and chop it up inside. Put some watercress, some aloe, and some radishes. Put this all inside the honey. Leave it inside your fridge until the morning, and in the morning, antioxidants will naturally be produced. Take a spoonful of this honey alone in the morning, midday, and in the afternoon, and watch how in 2 or 3 days your chest symptoms will be alleviated. As well as, don't forget to have 8 cups of water daily and 2 vitamin B complexes daily. Have an awesome and fantastic day.